engine. Looks like Rick McDowell and Jim Turnbull at the helm of it. Is the engine, the Stenner engine. The Stenner family owns this engine. This was over by Kearney, Missouri. They went put it up for auction a few years ago and didn't get it sold. The club, they let us bring it over here. The club's put a lot of time in sprucing it up and getting it operable. A lot of time spent getting that thing up to usable shape. And they've let us have it here for several years here to enjoy its use. And I tell you right now, those two guys right there have done a wonderful job of operating and keeping it maintained. We're just tickled to death it's here. We're very happy that the Stenner family let us have it here.